Believe it or not, but I have bought iPhone 12 for only $195. Too good to be true? Well, let's find out. I was really lucky to find a decent lot on eBay. It was iPhone 12, 64GB model, black color, and I bought it for only $194.45. The title was informing that iPhone is locked and listed for parts or repair. Detailed description was saying that iPhone was in excellent condition, network unlocked, blacklist clean, and Find My iPhone was turned off, but the phone was password locked. After checking pictures of the lot, I confirmed that it was in a really great condition. Once I have checked the IMEI number of the phone, all information provided by the seller was confirmed. I noticed only one thing which can go wrong. Device status of this phone was replacement, which means that there can be an issue with activating the phone, but I accepted the risk. After receiving the parcel, it was time to unbox it. Here is $195 iPhone 12, black color. It looks really nice. First thing first, I will check the IMEI number on the SIM tray, if it is the same as was provided in the listing. And we got a match. Next, I will check a phone's condition a bit closer. The front glass looks great, but it has two small scratches visible only at a certain angle. The back glass has 0 scratches and looks perfect. The housing bezels look great as well. Once the phone is cleaned, it will look like new. The bottom screws looks intact, so probably this iPhone was never opened before. Let me turn it on and see what is wrong with this iPhone. As expected, it is password locked, the same as iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 12 mini that I bought before. I will follow the same approach as I did with similar iPhones. I need to get this iPhone into DFU mode and restore it to default settings. After connecting this iPhone to my MacBook, I can proceed with putting the iPhone in DFU mode and restore it. As always, small instruction of how to put the iPhone in DFU mode. I need to press volume up button, volume down button, then press power up button and hold it for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, simultaneously hold power up button and volume down button for 5 more seconds. After 5 seconds, release power up button and proceed holding volume down button until the phone is recognized by Mac. Let me do it quickly. Now the iPhone is recognized by my Mac in DFU mode and I can start downloading newest firmware. After download is completed, I can restore the phone. Once restore is done, the phone will be automatically restarted. Here is a really important moment. I will be checking if the iPhone can be activated. During this step something can go wrong as the iPhone was marked as replaced. Whoa, activation was completed with no issues. Another win. Next step will be completing setting up the phone. After setup was completed, I can check if the iPhone's IMEI number matches the IMEI number on the SIM tray. And it matched. As a final step, I will perform some tests in order to check if there are no issues present on this iPhone. Everything works perfectly. I also checked the battery condition and found out that the iPhone's battery health is 98% of the maximum capacity. And the third-party application showed me that the battery has only 147 cycle counts. Once the iPhone is cleaned, it is ready for the new owner. Now let's talk about numbers of this project. iPhone 12 Black costed $195. Tax that I paid for the iPhone was $14. Shipping costed $12. So in total I spent $221. I expect to sell this iPhone in range from $500 up to $550. Making a profit between $279 and $329. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe button. And I see you in the next one.